How do engineers manage design iterations effectively? Have you ever wondered how engineers refine their designs to perfection? The process is fascinating and involves several key steps that ensure a product meets all requirements. Engineers manage design iterations effectively by following a structured process known as the iterative design process. This method allows them to continuously improve a product or system through repeated cycles of development. The journey begins with clearly defining the problem at hand. Engineers take the time to understand the needs of users and stakeholders. This crucial step helps set clear design goals while considering constraints like regulations and material limitations. Once the problem is defined, engineers brainstorm multiple concepts to address it. This phase encourages creativity and innovation while keeping feasibility in mind. After generating ideas, engineers create prototypes. These can be physical models or digital representations using computer-aided design software. Prototyping is essential as it allows for practical testing and helps visualize the design. Identifying issues early in this phase can save time and resources later on. Next comes testing and evaluation. Prototypes undergo performance assessments, and engineers collect user feedback. This feedback is vital as it reveals the strengths and weaknesses of the design. The results from testing guide engineers in refining their work. Managing iterations effectively means using the feedback and data gathered during testing to make improvements. Often, engineers will revisit earlier phases, such as concept development, to ensure the design aligns with user needs. This cyclical approach promotes continuous learning and improvement, which ultimately leads to a higher quality final product. To handle iterations efficiently, engineers break the overall design process into smaller, manageable stages. Digital tools like computer-aided design and computer-aided engineering help them quickly modify and simulate designs without the need for costly physical prototypes. Keeping clear documentation of each iteration's changes and test results is also essential. This helps track progress and decisions made throughout the process. Collaboration is another important aspect. Engineers work with multidisciplinary teams to integrate diverse expertise and perspectives. This teamwork can lead to more innovative solutions and prevent repeating past mistakes. In mechanical engineering, this iterative approach is especially important. The complexity of systems requires balancing multiple factors such as strength, weight, manufacturability, and cost. Rapid prototyping technologies, like three-dimensional printing, speed up the iteration process by allowing quick production and testing of physical models. Overall, engineers manage design iterations effectively by combining a systematic process with the flexibility to revisit earlier steps. They leverage modern tools for rapid testing and modification while maintaining thorough communication and documentation throughout the design cycle. This approach ensures that each iteration brings the design closer to a functional and reliable solution.